The T-Mobile device unlock server not responding. Try again. Wi-Fi and VPN off error appears when the T-Mobile device unlock app can't connect to T-Mobile's servers to verify your device's unlock eligibility. This isn't a hardware problem, but a communication issue. The error usually happens during peak usage times on T-Mobile's servers or due to network interferences. The T-Mobile Device Unlock app, available for Android and iOS devices, sends your device's IMEI and account details to T-Mobile's servers to verify unlock eligibility. This error prevents that connection. This is usually triggered by network issues, server-side problems, or outdated app versions. First, disable Wi-Fi and VPN on your device and switch to cellular data. Ensure your T-Mobile account is in good standing with no outstanding payments. Make sure you're using the latest version of the T-Mobile Device Unlock app. Verify your device meets the unlock eligibility criteria, typically 40 days of active service. If the problem persists, contact T-Mobile support for manual assistance. T-Mobile's servers can get overloaded and cause this error. Try again after waiting 24 hours. If you are using VPN, this can cause false positives.